Hello everyone, this is Mayank and welcome to my channel. So today briefly we'll talk about this particular stock called Godrej Consumer Products Limited, and the reason behind today's discussion is the sudden increase in the price of the stock, which is 21.87% high compared to yesterday's close. So we'll see the reason behind it and we'll see the basic details about the fundamentals. So the fundamentals, if you see, this particular stock debt is only 855 crore, whereas net profit is 1721 crore. So that's their net profit is double than the debt. That means they can pay back the debt whenever they want. Debt to equity ratio is 0.09, that almost negligible debt to equity ratio. That means they're almost debt free company, right? Then second figure to note is the current price is 872.85 and that will definitely increase the P. The P is showing less here, but eventually it will become high. So if you see how to calculate P, P is price earning ratios. If we divide the current price by the P for this particular year, so that P is the earning per share. So the earning per share for this particular year is what they have noted is 16.83. So if you divide that, you will get the correct PE. So this is what this company's few fundamental points are. And the details I have discussed in one more video which I created 2 months back, where I told you that this particular company is going through a breakout and will definitely see a big increase in the price, which eventually happened, and I predicted it 2 months back. So if you want to know more about the company and what basis I predicted and what are the fundamentals of it, I will ask you to see that video again. I will leave that link in the description. Also, I leave the link in the cards. Alternatively, if you want to see that particular video, then you can do one thing. You can search, you can open YouTube and you can search there Mayank Tripathi. So I'll show you how to do that. This is my channel name. You search by Mayank Tripathi, and if you search by Godrej Consumer, then you will get the video which I put. So this is large cap FMCG company ready for a breakout, Godrej Consumer stock. So this I discussed 2 weeks back, sorry, not 2 months back, 2 weeks back, where I thought it's about to break out. So you can go back to this entire video and watch that in details. Alternatively, also you can go back to my channel and search there directly. So this is one way to go for the entire details if you want to know. So we'll go back to the reason why this company increased. The reason is they have the quarter results. If you see, they 59% increase in profits year on year. So that's a huge increase. Second big reason is that there is a person called Sudhir Sitapati who is appointed as MD and CEO of Godrej Consumer. He will join in October 2021. So why this is a big news? Because when this person, Mr. Sudhir Sitapati, was there in HUL Foods, he built up the HUL Foods and Refreshment business, is one of the largest in India. So whatever the food and business of HUL we know now, so this person, he's the man behind the everything, and he's also the person who was behind the $5 billion merger and integration of GlaxoSmithKline Consumer Healthcare with HUL. So that happened 3-4 years back, and he is the core person behind it. Because of this person joining Godrej Consumer, the market sentiment is very high, and there's a lot of hope of the company that this company will reach new heights under his leadership. And because of this particular good news and good sentiment, the stock price has reached 21.87% in a day. That's a huge growth, and these are the two major reasons that this happened. So what is now, since you have seen a huge growth, so what is the opportunity now? So this was the graph which I discussed in this particular video, which I was saying. This particular video I discussed this graph. Is per that I told you this is one resistance and this is one resistance, and this company tried to break every time, and once this company crosses this particular resistance, it will cross this and eventually it will rise here. So still, as per my analysis, still there is opportunity here, and if you just want to put this from perspective, still you have around 17% definitely return possible from this current increase also. But since Mr. Sitapati has joined leadership for this company, this company will go even beyond this site, and the return what you might get will be much bigger than what we can see. But even if you have short-term goal and if you want to just do some swing trading, 17% return is definitely there, and it should not take more than a month to get this return. So 1 month 70% return is a very good return, and if you are a long-term investor, not even long-term like 2 years kind of investor, then you can get a good amount of return from this point also. So don't think that you have missed the rally or you have missed the 21% gain since you don't know about it. It's not late. There's a good future for this particular company. You can still invest. You can wait for day after tomorrow. Tomorrow market is closed. Day after tomorrow it might be some profit booking, and then you can re-enter at some point and you can hold this company based on your own convenience and on target whatever you have put for your investment. This was my small analysis. I will still request you again that you watch that video to know everything, and let me in the comment section if you have any comments for us or any feedback. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so they get notified whenever I publish a new video. Don't forget like this video if you find it helpful. Share it with your friends as much as possible so that we can create a good community and we can grow together. So this is a short video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow in the next video. Thank you so much. Stay happy, stay safe.